Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Court has fixed October 22, Court has fixed October 22 for the suit against Lagos State government over Dangote's claim that he paid $100 million for the land that he used in building the refinery in Lagos. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. The significance of this suit. Welcome. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button. Hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, the Federal High Court in Lagos has slated a hearing for October 22 regarding an application filed by the Renaissance Patriot Foundation and Bejileki People's Forum concerning the claim by Alhaji Aliko Dangote, the president of the Dangote Group, who said that his company paid $100 million for the land they built the Dangote Refinery. And he made that revelation during the controversy about the Dangote Refinery's challenge with the government on receiving crude oil from federal government and what have you. It was at the heat of that moment that Dangote talked about the fact that they didn't get the land free. Now this, the Renaissance Patriot Foundation is a group of indigenous Lagosians who allege that the Lagos state government told them or made them to believe that the land was acquired free of charge. So this group, the Renaissance Patriot Foundation and Bejileki People's Forum, felt so changed that their government did not tell them the truth, because they never knew that $100 million was paid for the land. And if $100 million was paid, they want to know why they have not received part of that money. Where did they keep the money? Who collected it? What did they do with it? That is what this group, made up of largely the indigenous people whose lands were taken over in the process of building the refinery that all of us are celebrating today and hailing Dangote for. And Dangote, according to him, said that they paid money for the land, but the people say they have not been compensated. Those who laid claim to the ancestral land say they have not been compensated. They didn't see any money. The impression they got was that the land was acquired free, because they were told that it is part of the government contribution, Lagos State contribution, to ensure that the factory or that the refinery was built in Lagos, so that being built in Lagos, it will generate jobs. So the benefit they are expected to get was through the multiplier effect of the company, of the refinery being there. It will create jobs, it will increase economic activity and all that. But they were not told that cash was paid. So it is that cash that they want to find out who it was paid to and what was it used for. And why is it that they were not part of the beneficiaries of that money? So it's going to be an interesting matter to follow going forward, to find out the truth about the $100 million that Dangote said that he's paid. And knowing who Dangote is, Dangote cannot just say that he paid that money without paying it. Because Dangote is a businessman. He knows the value of his integrity. That integrity is number one asset of a successful businessman like him. So if he didn't pay that kind of money for the land, if they didn't pay that kind of money for the land, I doubt if Dangote can say that. Now, having said that, these people, the indigenous people of Lagos, under the aegis of the Renaissance Patriot Foundation and the Ibeji Lekki People's Forum, want to get to the bottom of the matter. They want to know who Dangote paid this money. Of course, Dangote himself is not talking about who he paid it to. But since he paid it to the Lagos state government, it don't have to be an individual. If a state says you should pay something, you pay it to the state. So it's not a question of Dangote even telling you that the individual paid it. He paid it to the Lagos state government. That is what they want to find out. The indigenous people of Lagos, under the Renaissance Patriot Foundation and the Lekki People's Forum, want to get to know how this money was paid, what has it been used for. Since they, who owns the land that was given to Dangote or was sold to Dangote, because if you pay $100 million, it means the land was sold to you. That was sold to him. They have not been compensated for the land. So they want to find out how the money went and to get their own fair share. I'm sure that is at the bottom of it. To get their own fair share of the $100 million. Because $100 million is not a small money. It can do a lot of things to the lives of those whose lands were taken over to build the refinery in Lagos. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it higher and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.